channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a video on how to install a wig. This is a beautiful wig sent by aeryn21wigs. It's so good, nice lace. I colored it, it's not shedding, and it's just giving me a vibe right now. Okay, so continue watching and you're gonna learn how Sai puts on her wigs on herself, period. So right here, I'm just wiping off my forehead with alcohol so all of the makeup could come off and my lace could just lay down flawlessly. So in this clip right here, I'm basically just explaining how I would be applying the glue to my skin. And in this next clip, you're going to see I was putting on the glue like so, and then the thing just 1, 2, 3 on my face. Boom. So right here, I'm just checking out my lace, pressing whatever I gotta press in. It's looking like skin, and I'm about to fold up, boom, way back up like that, bow. So when I woke back up from being hella dramatic, I'm just pressing everything in. It's looking like skin. I'm liking how it's looking, I'm checking it out. And I'm basically about to wrap it now so it gets super melted in my skin and it just look like straight nothing. No lace, no case, nothing. Here I'm just getting it ready for styling. I'm brushing it out. This wig was really nice and full, and I did bleach it and then rinse it, and it had minimal shedding. It was really good. So I'm just gonna get it ready for styling. I'm gonna flat iron it first and then crimp it next. So we are now on to everyone's favorite part and mine, the baby hairs. And I'm just explaining how hard is it to look into the camera and do the baby hairs at the same time. So as I was explaining, it's really hard doing baby hairs on camera because I literally have to like look in the mirror. Like I can't look through the camera and do it. Like it's super hard. So I'm just trying to show you guys as much as I possibly can with how I do mine. So basically I just, you know, put the mousse on, and I use Nairobi foam from the beauty supply store. And right here I'm just thinning out the baby hairs a little bit so it's not so thick. And I use a edge brush to soup it, and I just play with it. I look in the mirror, play with it, look in the mirror, and see how it's looking. And that's just how I get my extra baby hairs. So I did the whole back, and I'm going to show you guys right now how nice it looks. I love how this came out. It's very soft. I'm not going to rub my hands through it because I don't want it to be big. And I love soft crimps. I don't like hard looking crimps. This is 2020, not 1995. And yeah. So here I'm just showing you guys how everything came out. I'm really pleased with it. I love how it looks with the soft crimps and the extra baby hairs. This wasn't an in-depth video, step by step. If you guys want to see that in my next video, let me know. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys.